Welcome back to Octavia Beauty, you guys, and I am Octavia. On today's video, we are going to be doing fragrance. Now, I am going to be doing the entire House of Sillage Whispers of the Garden. I bought the entire the little mini sample set, so we're going to sniff those sample sets. We're going to see which one is our favorite. You guys, I'm going to let you know I'm not just like the best person, the best nose for fragrance, but however, I am going to do my best, and I'm going to let you guys know what I think about these scents and which one of them that I like the most. So if you guys have this set or you enjoyed this collection, let me know. I just think buying the sample set is a great way to not blind buy, because I do blind purchase a lot of my scents. So with this, we're going to try to find a scent that we like and we enjoy. This one right here is a Whispers of the Garden. This one right there, the white one right there. And I got it free. Sometimes House of Sillage, they always have sales 50% off, or you can get a mystery fragrance, or if you spend so much, we'll send you a free fragrance. And that's how that one came. And so, yeah, let me stop babbling. You guys know I like to babble, but let's get into some fragrance. Okay, you guys, so what I'm going to try to do is put in all of the notes for all of the fragrance in on the screen so you guys can know what they are. We're going to start with our first Whispers of the fragrance, which is Whispers of Admiration. So as you guys know, I got my little post-it notes because I ain't got no fancy paper, but we make it do with what we got. This to me is a very strong scent. It seems strong, like kind of masculine and a little feminine at the same time. I like it. It smells a little sweet too. A little sweet, a little floral. So I like this fragrance. I think this Whispers of Admiration from House of Sillage is a nice, good scent. I think it's a nice spring scent. And I think it's a good start. I think it's a very good start. I think that's a very strong scent. A little masculine, a little feminine, a floral, a very springy type scent. Yeah, so I think that's a good start. I think that's a good scent to start off this collection. It's not a bad scent. I like it. Now, would I pay $300 and something for it? Maybe not, but I do like the fragrance. The next fragrance in this collection is the Whispers of Guidance. Oh man, this one smells a lot more florally. I can smell a lot more flowers. This one smells like you are outside in flowers, like you were smelling like real flowers. It smells like flowers and grass. Like it smells like my husband's cutting the grass. I'm watering the flowers outside. Like it definitely smells very floral. Yeah, but it's like a perfuming fragrance. It's like a very good fragrance. So I could see myself wearing this on a spring day with a little cute little summer dress, maybe some wedges or some sandals, going on a picnic or a flea market. What do you do? Things that you would do outside on a nice springy day. Maybe a little spring carnival, a little outdoor shopping, like little flea markets or yard selling with a nice just flowy spring dress. Yes, I like this one. I like this one too. I think Whispers of the Garden, Whispers House of Sillage are off to a good start. I like both of those fragrances. Yeah, and I will let you guys know which one is my top pick. But I like both of those fragrances. Now that one I really enjoyed, I think a little bit more than the first one, because it gave me scents that I am familiar with, because I'm familiar with being outside when my husband cutting the grass. Usually I'm outside watering flowers And you know, I love to wear flowy sundresses, maxi dresses, all those types of things. And that's what that scent was giving me. The next scent in this set I have is the Whispers of Enlightenment. This one is giving me spring. It is giving me sweet. I smell a little sweetness to it. It's giving me a little strong. It's giving me a little strong scent, like a little masculine scent, like masculine, but sweet, springy, floral. Oh man, I really like this one. It smells sweet. This one I would pay $300 for. That one I would buy. That Whispers of Enlightenment. That one smells good. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 more to go. So I'm going to let you guys know which one is my favorite at the end. So the next one we have is Whispers of Innocence. Oh, this one is giving me... That's the stuff I don't like. I don't know what it's giving me, but I don't like. I don't know. It smells like mint, but not like, you know, I like mint, but not like that mint. Oh, I don't like this. I don't know what this is giving me. It's giving me not my favorite scent. That's what it's giving me. Next we have Whispers of Strength. This one is giving me the same thing. I don't know what they put in these two, but I don't like. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna have to definitely make sure I put up the notes for you guys, because this right here, I don't know what this is. This musk? I don't know what this is. I don't like it. Whispers of the Strength is a no-go for me. I ain't gonna even hold y'all up on that. Okay, so I have another one. We have Whispers of Time. Whispers of Time isn't as bad as those other two. Whispers of Time is okay. I don't like it, but I don't like it, but it's okay. I don't like it. I don't want to wear that, but it's okay. I don't want to wear that. Okay, so our next one is Whispers of Truth. Now, Whispers of Truth I like. Whispers of Truth isn't that bad, and Whispers of Truth is actually the one that I got back there for free. So you guys definitely want to, if you like to purchase a lot of House of Sillage, I would definitely purchase the sample set, so that way when they have, oh, spend this, you get this fragrance free, so you can know if that fragrance you're getting, if you're gonna like it, if you're just not like a collector of the cupcakes. I love the cupcakes. This one is nice. This one is very soft. It's very floral. It smells like it's got a little musk in there. I think like those other two had some musk in there. Now this one I will wear. I wouldn't wear it every day, but like I'm going to Walmart, going to Target. I'm going to run a couple of errands, going to the post office to pick up some things. This is a nice light springy scent. All of these scents are very floral, and I think they're meant to be very floral. But this one I like. So let's narrow it down. The two I didn't like the most was Whispers of Strength and Whispers of Innocence. I didn't like those two at all. I think those were the two. You guys gotta to bear with me. But I did like Whispers of Ambition, Whispers of Guidance, and of course Whispers of Enlightenment was my favorite one, because it's got like that little sweet scent to it. So if they ever say spin this, you get Whispers of Enlightenment. You need to get it. Whispers of Enlightenment, Whispers of Truth, Whispers of Guidance, and Whispers of Ambition. I like those, but Whispers of Enlightenment was absolutely my favorite one of all. I don't own that one, but hopefully one day I will get a chance to own it. Thank you guys so freaking much for joining me for this video. I'm gonna put the notes up. I hope it was short and sweet for you guys, and for all of you fragrance lovers, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna holler at you later. Thanks for watching Octavia Beauty. Leave me some comments below. If you have the House of Sillage Whispers collection, let me know which fragrance was your fragrance, and if I happen to dislike a fragrance that you like, please don't hold it against me. My opinions are my opinions, your opinions are your opinions, your nose is your nose, and my nose is my nose. And that's just how it goes. We're not going to always like the same thing. So it's not meant to offend anyone. It's meant to be a fun, lighthearted video. So I hope you guys definitely enjoyed it. And I'm going to talk to you later. Bye.